Today we're going over the windshield washer system. You'll see the pump, you'll see the line that runs from the pump up to the nozzles that sprays the windshield washer fluid onto the windshield. And if you watch the whole video, you'll see at the end how I thought one thing was resolved and something else came up. Let's get to it. And now we have the inner fender exposed. Now what I was hoping for, right here is the reservoir that holds the washer fluid. This is the pump. So when you press the button inside the cabin, the pump turns on, sends the fluid up to the nozzles where they are located on the hood. But right here, this is the plastic line we're looking to replace. On many vehicles, you can get access to this line once you remove the plastic cover. Not in this case, but there is another option. So if we look closely, right there, see the line? And then it comes out again over there behind the battery, and then through the cowl to the nozzles. And here's the new kit, just $6.99. I'll link it below in case you are doing this sort of repair in the future. Has a number of different attachments. Let me get everything laid out for you. So this is the 90-degree angle that lives at the pump. And then we have a splitter that goes here, and then the final attachment there. So I'm sure I can maneuver the attachment. Let me put everything together and come right back. This is the 90-degree elbow, factory part. And now we can attach it to this hose. So just need to tighten up this line, but let's just test everything. So maybe the nozzle's clogged. Let's remove it. So I have the line going directly to this nozzle, and let's see if anything comes out of it. Now this is a vacuum gauge. I just took an extra piece of this tubing, cut it off, placed it on the end of the nozzle, and I'm going to add vacuum, and let's see if we can clear out the obstruction. Really nice kit. I've shown this many times in the past. Here's a nice adapter. We could place it right on here. This goes here. Yeah, that's quite clogged. So here we are the next morning, and I cannot unclog this nozzle. I let it sit overnight in a white vinegar solution. It did nothing. I even threw it in really hot water and vinegar solution. Nothing happened for hours and hours. So at this point, I'm just going to put everything back together so the car is at least up and running. It's Sunday. Tomorrow I can run to the Cadillac dealer. They do have it in stock for like 21 bucks. Replace it. Maybe I'll replace both since we're here. And we'll wrap it up. And here we are 2 days later. Unfortunately, it had to be ordered at the dealer. They did not have it in stock. 20 bucks, so it's not that inexpensive. I know there's aftermarket on Amazon. In my experience, those aftermarket parts don't last very long, so that's why I purchased OEM. Let's install it. We should be good to go. Okay, let's test it. Okay, here we go. There we go, we're up and running. That's great. Maybe I'll also replace the driver's side, just because this one sprays more clean, but that's all it takes. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. As always, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.